Hyperlinks are quite important. It helps you to link any other web pages or any other data where you want to redirect your users. And that's what we are going to talk about, or that's what we are going to learn in this particular video, that how you can use hyperlinks into MS Excel software. But this is not just simply add the web pages link and the hyperlink will be ready. There are tons of other options as well in MS Excel software that you should explore. So let's learn about these hyperlinks. So hey guys, welcome back to Marketing Fundas Global, where we'll be talk about hyperlinks. So let's get into the video without any further ado. So guys, we are into our Excel software. This is 2019 version of MS Excel. Now I'm just gonna show you how you can find the links option, where basically you will be able to add the hyperlinks, right? So for that you just have to go to this insert option, insert menu. Then here you'll be able to find this links option. And if you are using any previous version, maybe 2017 or 2013, then you'll be able to find this particular link somewhere in this insert option only, right? And once you click here, this type of dialog box will appear. This type of window will appear, where you'll see some options over here. And now I'm gonna one by one explain you that how these option works basically, right? The first one is existing file or web page. So this option basically helps you to link your existing file, which is available in your local computer, basically which is available in your storage itself, or you can link to any web page. For that you need internet connection also, right? So by using this one feature, you can do two tasks. The first one is you can link any existing file which is available in your computer, and the second one is you can link the any web page as well. So let's first start with the existing file which is available in our computer, right? So for example, I have selected this cell. This is already selected 45, right? And now I've just click on this option, and here is the desktop which is open right now. You can browse wherever you want, wherever you want to link, and wherever you want, you have the file where you want to link, right? So I have in desktop, this is the desktop, and this is the file which I want to link in this particular cell, right? So I've just selected and hit the hit the OK button, and the link is embedded now. And once I click here, as you will see that another Excel sheet is open now. Basically this is another dummy data, and I have linked to that particular dummy data. So that's how you can use this particular option, right? But for this, the file should be in the local storage itself, right? Let's talk about the second option. Now I have selected this name of the student, right? Now if I click on this and select the same option, now here I have to add the address, basically the website where I want to link, or the web page link of that particular web page where I want to link this particular cell, right? So let's say I go to my browser and search here marketingfundas.com. I write wrong, marketingfundas.com. That's correct. Now if I want to link this particular web page, I can do that. If I want to link any other page, I can do that as well. Let's click on this. Yeah, I have taken this particular web page. This is the PPC service page, right? The link also says PPC service India, right? So this is the page I have copied. Just copied. Let me copy again so that I can show you. I have copied, and then just go to the Excel software and paste it here. Once I paste it here, I just have to hit the OK button, and the link is embedded now. Now if I click here, I'll be redirected to that particular page. As you can see, it's getting loaded now. And yeah, so that's how this option works, right? Now let's select this language option and click on this again, link. Now I hope you got the point about these two options, existing file and web page, right? Now the second one is place in this document. Let's say you have multiple pages in your sheet. Let's say you have some data here and you have some data over here as well. Let me just add some data like this. Right now, for example, I am in sheet 1 and this is that cell, or this is the word where I want to add the link. So I'll go to the link and click on this place in this document. This basically does helps you to go to the page wherever you want in this particular document itself, right? So once you click here, you will be able to see the you will be able to see the sheets which are available in this particular document. So as you can see, we have only 3 sheets, and wherever you want to go, you can just select the sheet. For example, I have selected this particular sheet, and the cell you can select according to your preference. If you are uh, if you want to specifically target any one cell, right? Let's say I write B1, I mean B2, let's say. Okay, so I have selected sheet 3 and the cell is B2 and hit the OK button. So the link is embedded now, and once I click here, I'll go to this B2 cell. As you can see here, this is the cell B2, right? So you can just find out the cell name by just clicking on the cell, and here you will see the cell name or the cell coordinate, or you can say whatever you can say. Right now, let's go to the sheet first again, and now we have this create new document option. Basically, it helps you to tag, to link the document which. Now let's talk about create new document option. Basically, it helps you to create, it helps you to link a file which is not even created. When you will create on that particular hyperlink, the file will be created and you'll be able to edit that particular file. So that's how this option helps you. And here's the two options, like when the new document, edit the new document later or edit the new document now. So basically, if you select this one, then when you click on that particular hyperlink, you'll be able to edit that particular document as well. So let's say I'm creating a new document here and I write test doc, right? And I click on it, but wait, I've selected the wrong. Let me add a hyperlink here on maths particular test doc, right? Everything is perfect now. The text is selected now, and the document file of the name of the file is test, it's test doc, and we'll edit it now, right? And if I click, the link will be created, and if I click on this, I'll be able to edit this particular, right? So this is basically a new document which is just created now, right? I'll be able to see, if I save it, I'll be able to see it in my desktop. Here is that test doc, right? So that's how it works. Now we have the last one, which is go to link again, and this is the email basically. So it helps you to directly email to the person or whom you want, right? So here you just have to add the email where you want to send the email, right? Like saurabh.marketingfundas@gmail.com. You can add the subject and the content as well, right? You can add the subject. There will be no content. This is the recently used email addresses. So basically, you'll see all the recently used email addresses. Now you can add the subject as well, so that when the email opens, the subject will be there also. So you can write also test. Now if you hit OK button, the link will be generated. This is the hyperlink basically, and when you click here, this mail option will be appear in front of you, right? So this is basically the default mailing option, and you can change it to any of your browser, or you can just log in here as well. So that's how you can use these hyperlink options, where you can add hyperlink to your web page or to any existing file which is available in your computer, or you can just send your prospect into other sheet, or you can just create a new document. So that is totally up to you. We got tons of options available here. So I hope you understood each and everything, how you can add hyperlinks to your MS Excel sheet. And If you still have any question or query, please comment down below. I'll answer those questions in the comment section itself. And if you like the video, please hit that subscribe and like button. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.